All right, YouTube peeps, I'm going to show you what is for dinner tonight. It's just me tonight, and so I've got, let's see here. All right, can you see that? What we have here, you can't really see it, there you go, is chicken. I got 2 chicken thighs in there, marinated in olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic, and what do we got in there? We've got some Italian seasoning and a little extra oregano. Actually, quite a bit of oregano. That's what we've got. I'm going to bake that off in the oven. Put that and all those delicious juices that come off of that. It'll make kind of a nice sauce. I'm going to put that on top of some rice. And then I have here already cut and ready to go some broccoli. And what I am going to do with that broccoli is roast it in the oven with garlic oil. And here's how you do it. Put it in a 400-degree oven. Don't put any oil on it. Nothing at all. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. Then take it out, stir it up a little bit because the top will start to get brown. You want to flip those over to stir them around. Then cook them off for about another 20 minutes or so, depending on how well done you like that broccoli. And at the end, you take some oil in which you have crushed with a one of these suckers, a garlic press. It's best with a garlic press because it removes sort of that outside rind. I don't know what you call it on the garlic cloves. Not the, the papery wrapper. You take that off and there's still sort of like a hard outer part of it. You crush that in the garlic press and you'll just get nice mushed up garlic. You put that, what I do is I put that in a glass Pyrex measuring thing, measuring cup thing. I put that in there with some oil and I microwave it for like 40 seconds or so. And what you're going to do with what that does is it really makes a nice garlic oil. It really gets the flavor of that garlic all in that oil. And then when you've got maybe just a couple minutes, a minute or two, you don't even actually have to cook it anymore. But when you're just about done cooking that broccoli, just dump that garlic oil on top of your broccoli and stir it around. And really, it's done right then and there, or you can cook it for another minute or two. And that's it. Good stuff, super healthy, quick and easy. Try it. You'll like it. Talk to you later.